we go. Nice view. There we go. Okay, I've got to be quick because the train is coming, but we're back at Wallaceville station and the level crossing has been replaced. Yes, a crossing that I only filmed, I think, beginning of this year has been replaced as part of the double tracking work that's going on this half of the line. But we've got new Western-Cullen Hayes barriers, we've got Western-Cullen Hayes E-bells, as you would expect, 4 of them in fact. But what's interesting is the lights. The lights are not Montrose of Penrose like they usually are. They're Western-Cullen Hayes lights. So this is a 100% Western-Cullen Hayes crossing. If we zoom in on the lights on the other side, you can probably see the back of them and see the Western-Cullen Hayes logo. Don't know why they've gone with Western-Cullen Hayes lights instead of Montrose, but they have. But I can see a northbound train coming up the line there. So she'll wait for it to activate. This crossing, you may remember previously, used to have Wabco barriers. I think it had Griswold, I think it had some modified Griswold lights. Used to have Western-Cullen Hayes E-bells. There's a lot of new equipment here. Here we go. Okay, so interesting that for a new crossing, the E-bells are set to ring fast, even on a new crossing, which is good. And I wonder how long it's going to last before they inevitably change them to the slow setting. But no, very, very interesting having the Western-Cullen Hayes lights. We will go and get another view soon from the other side. But yeah, but we've now got 4 E-bells here, whereas previously there were only 2. Which is quite nice. So you've now got bells on all 4 corners, and there's also a lot of lights. There's 3 sets of lights on each side, because we've got here, here, and here, and also 2 over there and 2 there. Now I suspect that what might happen in the future is they may well, once they've double tracked the line, is put the pedestrian gates in here, which will be great, because then that'll be an opportunity to come back when that's done and finish and film that again, but that probably won't be for quite a long time. But yeah, we'll go and get a view from the other side. Okay, this isn't on its best side right now because of the position of the sun, but never mind. I think we're probably likely to go any moment now. I think the train's just coming. Here we go. That's interesting, slow ring on this side. Standing here I can really hear where some of the bells are ringing at different speeds. Okay, that's interesting. I wasn't quite expecting that. This is where I was standing over there. That E-bell is definitely ringing fast. This one is definitely ringing slow. Can't really say for the other two. I'm not close enough to hear them, and I'm not waiting for another 2 trains, but that was interesting. But the most interesting thing of all is them using these Western-Cullen Hayes lights instead of Montrose, and I think the thing that's going to be interesting to see now is whether any further level crossing upgrades get these lights as well, or whether they go back to Montrose. That'll be interesting to see.